In eConfig Cloud, if you need to get a export file format for a configuration, you don't need to load into the configuration session to do that. You can go straight to the repository to get configuration file exports. To do so, you go into the repository section, pick the configuration that you're interested in. Here I've selected config 10. This has to be a saved configuration, cannot be an autosave configuration. I select my actions over here and I select to export. Now you'll see here that the selections available are identical to when I am in a configuration session. I have the different kind of export that I would want. I would say here I want to get a CFR and a text file. I can select multiple files to be created or just one compressed zip file. And then I can decide if I want to have that saved locally, emailed to myself, or both within the single transaction. So I'll select export here. And now that those configuration file, the zip file, is being created and put on my local drive. I get prompted by my browser if this setting is made to where I want to save this. If the default setting is, it goes into your default directory. In my case, I have it set up to pick where I want to keep it. I'm going to put it in what I call my demo folder here. So I'll pick that. And I'm going to change this name to config 10 April. And I'll save that. And now if I go over to my demo folder, here is this output that I just saved. I can open up this zip file and you can see here is my text output that I would have downloaded with all my pricing information in it. It doesn't format quite well because of it. I'll spread it out there a little bit. You can see a little better. And of course the CF report here is well. And I can see that information here on the screen with my configuration file. That's how you export data directly from the repository in eConfig.